Hey guys, what's up? You're watching Clique, and today we're going to be looking at the Razer Huntsman Mini, which is a 60% compact version of Razer's existing Huntsman keyboard. The fact that Razer actually made a 60% keyboard is awesome, and I want to give them credit for that, for actually listening to the tech enthusiasts, the keyboard enthusiasts, the gamers, all the people out there that really just wanted what they bring to the table in just a smaller form factor. I've actually been wanting to get a Razer keyboard for a while now, but I just haven't had a good enough reason to get one until now, because I wanted a Razer keyboard in a 60% form factor, specifically to use it for gaming, since I wasn't really expecting it to be hot swappable or anything. And the fact that they actually gave it to us and it's here now is awesome, so I'm excited to try it out. And I've been hearing and seeing a lot of good things about this keyboard, so let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, hey guys, what's up? So we're going to get into the unboxing of the Razer Huntsman Mini. I'm really excited to do this. I've actually really been wanting this Razer keyboard for a while now. I think everyone's wanted a 60% keyboard from Razer. So let's get into this. First thing I want to say is that I really like the packaging for this keyboard. The design is clean and overall it looks really good. I got the Mercury white version with the Razer Clicky optical switches. I'm excited to use these because I like clicky and tactile switches, and I haven't tried any new switches recently, so that too. Alright, so this looks good, and this looks clean. Damn. This feels so like crisp, like the clicks on here. So these are like really light tactile and like really light clicky. Like these aren't very, like, it's not like, these are definitely a lot softer than Cherry Blues. I feel like Cherry Blues, you have to not press down hard, but like you have to, like, you know, press into it. This is like really light. That's the first thing I'm noticing. So here you can just look at the layout of the keyboard. So yeah, there's a standard bottom row here, so this should be compatible with other Cherry MX keycap sets. And yeah, so I like what I see so far. Yeah, it's like really light clicks on here. And then on the bottom, it's hard to see it depending on the light, but it says like for gamers, by gamers, like the way that they put it on here. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but they did do it. And it looks cool. It's a nice little touch to add it. So I see that they did add some adjustable feet. I think this is just one level of elevation. So if you want to elevate your keyboard and kind of have it at a slanted angle, you will be able to do that. What else comes inside of the box? So we're gonna get to the more of the keyboard later, but overall I like it so far. I really like the switches. I like how, like, the clickiness of it, like how clicky they are, and overall just like the feel of them. They're like really light MX Blues. That's what they feel like. But they still have like the clickiness, but I don't feel a lot of like rattle. Like, it's pretty solid. So now that I've typed with the keyboard a little bit and gotten a little bit of a gist of it, I've set the lighting on it. I just had it on a static color. I forgot how difficult they make the Razer Synapse software. I definitely think it can be simplified, because even me, I've only used the Razer Synapse software once when I did my Viper Mini review a couple months ago, but you also have to disable using it with apps. So like if you want to, for example, have Wallpaper Engine running while you're using this, it has Wallpaper Engine on by default. So pretty much it will, as soon as you turn on Wallpaper Engine, it'll shut off the lights on the keyboard. So you have to go into the app and disable Wallpaper Engine, and like if you play Fortnite or another game, you have to disconnect it to make it work. So that's pretty annoying. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the RGB lighting effects you can do, and then also you can hear the keyboard some more. But like, we're gonna go into the Chroma Studio. So here I just have it on static green. Here is a rainbow wave mode, so this is pretty standard. And like I said, like once you understand how to use it, it's actually pretty good. Like the amount of customization they give you, it's definitely a lot more than I've seen. This is actually probably the most customization I've seen for RGB in a software. It's just extremely convoluted in my opinion. But yeah, you can adjust, there are so many speed options you can adjust. You can adjust the angle at which the wave happens. You can put a split, a pause. You can choose the width. You can choose when it starts, choose when it ends. You have a bunch of modes like ambient awareness, audio meter, a breathing mode, fire, reactive ripple, spectrum cycling, starlight, static, wave, and wheel. So there are plenty of options for RGB lighting on here. I just wish it was not so difficult to use it, because like I said, like even me having used this before, I had to remember how to use this. So yeah, there's a lot of cool lighting modes in here. I like the floating key design. Now hopefully I can show you guys the for gamers by gamers. Yeah, so you can see like with the light reflecting off of it. I think that's pretty cool. They have that. I don't know, I like the little touches on stuff. Like when I was doing the Ducky Mecha Mini unboxing, I like that they had like snowflakes on like the bezels and stuff. So like any little touches like that don't really add to like the actual typing experience, but are just like a nice touch. I appreciate that. So I like that they did that. I'll be honest, the keyboard feet are plastic. I would have preferred these to have been, you know, of better build quality, but oh, it's actually 2 levels of adjustability. I didn't even realize that. So there's these mini feet inside of the feet for like level 1, and then bam, pop this, and it's like level 2. Get the other one. Oh, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so I still would have liked them to feel more premium. I mean, the case itself is made out of plastic, so I mean, can't really expect too much from that. But at least, you know, there's 2 levels of elevation, so I'm not gonna nitpick too much. Although this is a $120 keyboard, yeah, I'll have to give my full, you know, opinion in the review. But so far, I like it. Honestly, I really do like it. I like it a lot. And if I had to say right now, I think it is worth the money. It's just, you know, the little nitpicks like that. You know, the software, not really with the keyboard itself, but once you set your software, you know, you should be good to go. So overall, this does feel like a premium product. I like what they did here with this iteration. I'm going to continue to use this to game with it, to really put some hours into it over the next couple of weeks. And then I will give you guys my final verdict on it. But overall, the highlights are definitely the switches are carrying this like so hard, dude. I love the switches on here. I love the stabilizers. It feels really good. I like the floating key design. You know, the USB Type-C cable is really good. I like that they added this for gamers by gamers on the bottom, even though it's not really, you know, adding that much to it. I just like the aesthetic of it. I love that there's 2 adjustable feet on the back, 2 levels of elevation. So if you do want to have it at a tilted angle, slanted, you can do that. I like that there's side printed legends on here. overall, this is a really premium product. I definitely like what I see here, and I'll give you guys my full review later, but we're gonna cut to the end of the video now. Like usual, I'm gonna put the link for purchase down below in the description, so if you wanna get the Razer Huntsman Mini, you can go ahead and do that. If you enjoyed the video and wanna help me battle the YouTube algorithm, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit that sub button to join the clique. And if you have anything that you want me to review or talk about, drop it down in the comment section, or just let me know what you thought about the video. If you have any questions that you want answered from me live, hop into the stream. I play games, we talk about tech, and it's all around good time. Like always, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.